just wanted to take like a shot of our room. Hi, Gloria. Everything is really, really nice. We have a lit out bed and everything. And let's show you the view from our beautiful balcony area. So gorgeous. It's hot and steamy out here, guys. This is our view. Just to kind of sit out here and chill out. We're gonna keep our Sabbath, play some Bible games, and just relax today, because that's what we're supposed to be doing anyway. That's all. Just wanted to share.
You clear?
Okay.
Woo!
That's right, baby.
Can't see.
Yeah.
Where that water at? Turn. Where that water at?
Yeah. Where that water at, baby? Yeah. So hey, so what did y'all think about the restaurant so far? What y'all think?
I've eaten bread and butter.
What?
I'm waiting for the main course, but it's been great. Thank you so much.
What do you think, Gloria G?
Oh wait, the coffee martini is on point.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, if you guys can taste the aroma of the espresso on your tongue, it's phenomenal. Oh my gosh. But you have to be a coffee connoisseur. Exclamation. Oh.
But most of all, this atmosphere. Yeah, I'm telling you, the atmosphere it's breathtaking.
Yes, it is.
It's hot as hell.
No, it's not hot. It just feels just right.
Okay.
I think it feels just right. Yeah, I think it's pretty
Classy.
good. It's real classy. It'll be a perfect place to like come out here to, you know, if you want to have date night with babe, or you know, go on vacation with your husband or something. This place is like really romantic. We're gonna try the food, so we're gonna send some pictures of that too. Okay, we're gonna holler off. Holler. Say bye, girls.
Bye.
Good morning. So this is our first Saturday here at the resort. We're just sitting down for breakfast. Say hi.
Everybody's there. You go.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna try our food here. Everything looks delicious. It's kind of warm, but it just feels so wonderful outside. So we're gonna eat and enjoy. This is our waitress for today. Morning. Good morning. And so we're just gonna sit here and eat, and we'll take pictures and send some later. See you later.
So hard to find. I think she was meant to knock them daylight. Like, girl, you so fine.
So hey y'all, today is day 3. No. Yes, day 3 of our vacay here in Antigua. So we're on our little private cruise ship today. Hey girls. Say hey everybody. Yeah. So we're gonna go out here and have lunch, and we're gonna sunbathe and just, you know, living our best lives over here. So we'll holler at y'all later when it's lunchtime. Toodles.
Bye.
sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the heels or her slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear. All that confidence, was it heaven sent? Does it come within? Does it come run out? I don't know. She'll just have them running out and in. Man, they want to sin, talking deadly sin with Mrs. Lady. I don't understand why she hit them like girl, you knock him dead. Oh, oh, oh. How you doing? Things you doing? Baby, you knock him dead. I'm already said.
Good morning. So this is our last day here. Say what's up, girls. This is our last day here. Let me turn this sideways. Maybe that'll be a little better. Yeah, okay. Excuse me, we're recording. So anyway, we kind of wanted to give you guys our review of what we think about the Royalton Antigua as a whole, and that. So for me, it was like really nice. Antigua owes me nothing. The experience, away from the resort was like really awesome. I think those were the times when we had the most fun. The resort is very nice, but this food, y'all, it's kind of sad. So you probably do better getting it off. So yeah. Okay, so that's my review. Who want to go next?
Yeah, good morning. I'm with Lisa, and you can tell Antigua owes me nothing. I'm very hungover this morning, but overall, I had a blast here. And like she said, the food here at the resort is not what's up, but our away from the resort experience, we went to authentic Caribbean cuisine yesterday. Food was excellent. We also visit you all saw the
When we sure in the height.
what was our other place we ate at?
Oh, Devil's Breed.
No, Casa.
Casa Roots.
Oh, Casa Roots,
Baby, that food was off the chain. But anyway, Antigua is nice, beautiful flower, beautiful people, our people. It was off the chain. I enjoyed it.
So what about you?
Yes, I totally agree. The experience here was amazing. This group of girls was amazing. We didn't all know each other, but when I tell you, no drama, big fun. We had a private yacht. That was like the best experience.
Yeah.
And you have to visit Devil's Bridge when you come. That's a must. The hotel was very nice. Customer service was great. So I have no complaints. But the food, like they said, never hot. Don't expect hot food. Lukewarm.
So do baby. Okay, this is Shay.
I agree with the ladies. The food was not so great at the hotel. The resort is beautiful. My overall experience for Antigua is a really nice island, but if you're looking for the nightlife, like party, don't come here. This is a place to come with your significant other, or if you want a girls trip and you want to relax. This is a more relaxation type of place. Very relaxing. But overall, it was fun.
Okay.
Well, it was beautiful. It is beautiful. It's so green. The people are so nice. They're very accommodating. Our rooms were clean each and every day. They spoke to us each time we walked by. The scenery is absolutely amazing. From the beaches Oh my gosh, and the reefs, it was beautiful. I had a beautiful experience, and like the rest of my sisters said, the food wasn't no, it was lukewarm each and every time. Even the stuff that came off the grill.
Yeah,
We didn't understand that.
How you gonna?
It's like, how you gonna cook something?
and it come back.
Right. But other than all, overall, I had an awesome time.
Well, all right. So that's our review of Antigua. We finna get ready to pop this champagne and make us some mimosas. I want to give a shout out to Barry's Taxi Service. Should you decide to come here, make sure y'all look up Barry, because he was like really he was very knowledgeable at everything like around the island. He took us, the history of Antigua. He took us to the restaurant where we could eat the different food. Oh my God, it was like, oh, it was good.
Caribbean taste.
Yeah, it was good.
Restaurant was good.
And so he spent time with us. I want to give a shout out to, I think it was called Catamaran Sailing here in Antigua. The name of their boat is called Cool Cat. And what was our Omari was our captain, and Sim. They were like really hospitable, and the food was really good. The boat was like extra clean. They weren't pesty. It was just, oh my God, it was such a cool vibe. That was like everything. So anyway, that's our review. Thank you for watching. I want to also give a shout out to Jamie, Alyssa. We had looked at y'all's video when y'all came down here to Antigua about a month ago. And girl, thank you for those suggestions to check out Casa Ruth's, because that espresso martini was the bomb.com, lady.
So good.
Yes. So thank you so much. Peace out.